Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look into a different format. Before I explain the pivot tables for a little bit further, I'm just going to add some more details into this because I need to know uh, in this format the total GRN quantities. It means how many inventories that we have taken inside to our grocery store. So I've created a simple format including the GRN details with the GRN date, GRN number, SKU, description, department, unit cost, GRN quantity, gross value, suppliers discount, net value, credit period, suppliers payment dates to be paid within, and the payment status. So this is the basic format that I'm going to explain it to you today with the formulas, how we are going to enter the data with a little bit of data. After we enter, the whole thing will update it automatically. So today I will show you how to create this format. So I will start with the GRN date and the GRN number. So because I'm just going to take the data, the past data, then I can easily explain it to you. So I will go with the 1st of July 2023. Then my initial GRN number I'm taking as 4 zeros and 1. This is in the general format. So again, I will explain, as I explained you earlier, I will use this B column and I will change it to text format. After changing the text format, I'm using 4 zeros and 1. That is my first GRN. Then I will enter the SKU. Let's say I will start with my first SKU when I go to the product creation sheet. My first SKU is 0001. So I'm going to enter it here. Now you can see no data has been updated. So I'm going to use the formulas here to take the description, department, unit cost, and the others. So I will take you through with XLOOKUP function equal XLOOKUP open bracket with my SKU, comma, the product creation sheet. I'm selecting the master data of the SKU from the database, comma, I'm going to take the product description. So I will go for the product description, not the cost description, comma. Then if the data is not available, I will show it as a blank. Then I will close the bracket. When I press enter, you can see my data has showed in this table. Then I'm going to insert my department in here, the same format, XLOOKUP, open bracket, my data, going to the product master sheet, SKU level, the table, and the department, comma, with the blank, and enter. That's my department. Unit cost equal XLOOKUP, open bracket, SKU, product creation sheet, master sheet SKU list, comma, my cost, comma, again the blank. Then I'm going to enter the GRN quantity as 150 to explain it to you. And I just need to take the gross value in here. So to take the gross value, I'm going to multiply the unit cost from the total GRN quantity. So that will be my total GRN value. So in here you can see, because there are no data has been inserted in these cells, there is a formula error is showing in this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide this. For that, I'm going to edit this data with F2. Then I'm going to put a formula called if error. Then I will open the bracket. In here you can see I have already entered a value, but value if error, I'm going to show it as a blank. again I will put a comma in here with double inverted commas. I'm going to close this bracket. Then you can see no data has been illustrated here until you insert the data in this particular columns. I'm going to post this video from here because there are a few cells that we need to redo again. It means supplies discount, net value, credit period, and it's a quite a long. There are another 6 cells that we need to complete. Because if I just continue that, that will be a complicated session for you. So in my next tutorial, I will explain it to you how to use these cells and how we are going to continue our GRN listing. So thank you very much for joining with me, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.